welcome to my other lecture on surface integral. Okay, this is the lecture number 2, part 2. So in part 1, I have discussed very nicely, very thoroughly in the introduction part. You have to see first lecture 1, then lecture 2. I am not describing the each part. This part I am describing. Okay, so this is the surface integral formula. Using this formula, we will do this sum. Okay, what is f? This f should be given. F should be given. It is a vector valued function. F is always given. N vector you have to find and ds vector you have to find. Put this value on this formula, then you will get the result. Actually, what is surface integral? Surface integral, it is a second order. That means it is double integral. When the surface is on 3D, then surface is 3D. The double integration is known as surface integral. That means the 3D surface, that is double integration on 3D surface, is known as surface integral. 3D surface, I mean sphere, cone, cylinder, okay, cuboid, cube, like this, okay. And 2D surface we did in earlier, that is 2D, that is double integral in 2D surface. When double integral we have done, then in that case double integral in 2D surface, that is circle, the circle, then parabola, then key, that is rectangle, square in that case. Okay, so this is this 3D surface. We are focusing 3D surface, double integration, 3D surface, then it is called surface integral. ds equal to ds, if the plane, if the surface, that is if the surface lies on xy plane, then ds equal to dx dy by this. If the surface lies on yz plane, then du is equal to dy dz by n dot I. If the surface lies on zx plane, then dx dz by n cap dot j cap. So these are the formula for using ds. And now how to get n vector. Okay, n vector, for n vector, when 3D surface does not lie, or it is not given, suppose does not lie on any plane. Suppose a surface, it is not given, it lies on xy plane or yz plane or zx plane, or it is not given that the surface doesn't parallel to xy plane or parallel to yz plane or parallel to zx plane. In that case, how to find the n vector? This is the formula, that is grade phi by grade mod grade phi. N vector equal to grade phi by mod grade phi. What is grade phi? Grade phi, how to get? Actually, what is phi actually? Phi, you have to take the, that is the, here is cylinder is given x square plus y square equal to 16. So phi will be x square plus y square minus 16. This is actually phi. Then grade phi, you know, delta, that is equal to delta phi, grade phi, then by mod delta phi. Okay, then you will get the value of n. That means in that case, if the surface is neither lying nor parallel to any plane, then the surface you can take either on xy plane or yz plane or zx plane. Okay, okay. Now just follow me. This sum, that is find this where s is the surface of the cylinder, x square plus y square equal to 0. Including, I have written 2 times here, including in the first octane z equal to 0 to z equal to 5, f is always given. Okay, f is always given. Now, what is n vector? You have to find the n vector. Before going to find the n vector, you have to find what is phi. Solution. Phi equal to x square plus y square minus 16. So what is grade phi? Grade phi equal to delta phi, that is equal to I into del x plus j into del y plus k into del z of I, j, k are unit vector of x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 16. Okay, this is actually phi. Okay, now, so that is equal to I into 2x plus j into 2y, I into 2x plus j into 2y, then z differentiation, it will be del z, that is no z function is there, so it is 0. So 2xi plus 2yj. This is your grade 5. So now therefore n cap, this n cap you have to find. Yeah, n cap equal to, that is grade 5 by mod grade 5. Mod grade phi, that is equal to, you can say delta phi by mod delta phi, mod delta phi. This can be written as, what is delta phi? That is grade phi 2xi plus 2yj by root over 4x square. The mod of this value, that is 4x square plus 4y square. As you know, coefficient of I, this whole square, that is 4x square. Coefficient of j, that is 2y, that is 4y square. If we take 4 common, then it will cut, that is numerator will be xi plus yj by root over x square plus y square. So x square plus y square is equal to 16, then it will come xi plus yj by 4. If we put over here 16, then it comes 4. It comes 4. So now what I am saying, this is very important. Listen, what I am saying, this is very important part I am saying. Now I am going to say, saying this part. I'm trying to say, that is when the surface lie on the cylinder, that is x square plus y square equal to say a square. X square plus y square is equal to a square. This type of sum always, this is the actually n cap. Always the n cap value equal to xi plus yj by a. Always you can take. That means without calculating this, directly you can take n cap equal to xi plus yj by a. A is the radius. Here you see x square plus y square equal to 16. So n cap equal to xi plus yj by 4. You see. So what I have actually shown how to get n cap, but you can directly use shortcut method in NET or GATE exam. N cap always should be, for the cylinder, it should be xi plus yj by 4. Xi plus yj by 4. This n cap, by how to calculate, I have shown here. This is not depending upon the f. Okay. So n cap should be there. This you should remember. Xi plus yj by a. This is the n cap. This is the n cap. This is the n cap. Okay, be careful. So here xi plus yj by 4. If it is suppose 25, then what will be the n cap? Xi plus yj by 5. Okay. Okay. Now we have got n cap. Now we have to find f dot n. How to get? Because n cap is given, n cap is this, now f is this, now how to get n dot n, this part, okay, n dot n, this part. N dot n, this f dot n, f dot n cap. F is given, f is zi plus xj minus 3y square z dot, this is z k, ijk unit vector, then dot n. N means xi plus yj by, it was by 4. So this by 4, this by 4 we can write. Okay. So now I dot I1, I dot J0, J dot J1, J dot I0, K is not there, so this part should not be there. Only xz by 4 plus xy by 4. That is x by 4 we can take common, z plus y. That is f dot n is equal to x by 4 y plus z. This is n this. Now, very important thing. Therefore, surface integral f dot n this ds is equal to, just I am putting the value f dot n, that is x by 4 z plus y into what is the value of ds. So ds, now you see, if we take ds on xy plane, if we take ds on xy plane, then n cap, that is, it is, follow me, dx, suppose you are taking on xy plane, on xy plane, on xy plane, okay, n cap xy by x dx dy by n cap k cap, okay, that is n cap k cap, n cap k cap. What is n cap? What is n cap value? N equal to what? What is n? N equal to xi, be careful, xi by 4 y plus yj by 4. So if we take on xy plane, so n dot k will be 0, n cap dot k cap equal to 0. So n dot k equal to 0. So that means this, that is, this does not lie on xy plane. That is xy plane. If we take, then denominator becomes 0. So we should not take the surface lies on xy plane. The surface lies on xy plane. So because this becomes 0. Now, if we take, see, if we take on yz plane, if we take on yz plane or zx plane, say zx planes you are taking. If you are taking zx plane, so what will be the zx plane? That is dz dx by this formula, that is dz dx dz by n dot j, n cap, that is n cap dot j cap, n cap dot j cap, this is n cap dot j cap. In that case, what is this value? That is y by 4. So here you have to write, that is y by 4. Then you can solve it. Okay, no problem. No, it will be no problem. Here you have to write y by 4. So that calculation you can do, no problem. So my question is, if we take on, that is yz plane, you see, if we take on yz plane, that is, here will be one yz plane, here will be n dot I, here will be n dot I, then it will be n dot I is x by 4. If we take here x by 4, then you see x by 4 and x by 4 will be cancelled. So it better thing, it should take, so it should be better. That is on yz plane. So dy dz by n dot I equal to x by 4, then x by 4 it will be cancelled. The calculation will be very easy. Okay. On xy plane you should not take, because this part becomes 0. So on zx plane you can take zx plane you can take, then it will be y by 4. So we can calculate, but the calculation will be more complicated. So on xy plane this will become 0, that is n cap dot k cap, but here is no k is there, so it becomes 0. We should not take on xy plane. So we are taking on yz plane. So ds equal to this. So now tell me, this is x by 4. So x by 4 will be cancelled. So x by 4, then z plus y dy dz. Try to understand what I am saying. This value is x by 4. So x by 4 getting cancelled. So now I am putting the limit y, that is z plus y into this value. Okay, now how to get, so yz plane I am taking here, yz plane, this is yz plane, so just follow me. Yz plane, this is x square plus y square equal to 16, x square plus y square equal to 16. So this is z equal to what actually? Z equal to 0 to, you see, 0 to 5 it is given. So here is s, z equal to 0 to 5 I have taken. And what is y value? This is yz plane. What I am taking on YZ plane. This is Z. On YZ plane, so if you take the strip on here, that is y equal to 0 to, tell me, on YZ plane. So this is what is the radius? Radius is 4. Radius is 4. So y equal to, we can take 0 to 4. Y equal to 0 to 4. So y equal to 0 to 4. Y equal to 0 to 4. YZ plane. Z equal to 0 to 5. Z equal to 0 to 5, it is given, and y equal to, this is y, this is 0, 0 to 4. 0 to 4, that is dy dz. Now integrate this part. Integration of this part, how to do? Integration of this part you can do, that is with respect to y, then with respect to z. This part I am erasing. Just follow me. This integration I am doing now. Integration part. So z equal to 0 to 5, z equal to 0 to 5, and here y equal to, y with respect to y zy plus y square by 2, this is 0 to 4, 0 to 4, this is y value, okay. So now z equal to 0 to 5, 0 to 5, tell me it is 4z plus 8. 4z plus 8 into dz. Okay. So 4 into z square by 2 plus 8z. This is z. This is z. Okay. 0 to 5. So 4 in, that is 2. We started 2 into z square, 25 plus 40. 25 plus 40. So 40, that is 50, that is 90. 50 plus 40, that is 90 is the answer. So what is the value of this? This value becomes 90. I think everybody understood very nicely. I'm 110% sure you guys enjoyed this video. So when you have to see this video starting, first to last you have to see. Don't leave in the middle of the session, then you won't understand anything. Okay. So I request, please see my first video, then see the second video, that is part 2. Then you will understand clearly. I will come with my next video, that is lecture 3. Till then, bye bye. Thank you very much.